कोलंबिया के मंत्री रवि काहलों ते माइक फार्नवर्थ ने वैनकूवर विच एक प्रैस कॉन्फ्रेंस की, जिथे उन्होंने घोषणा की कि नवीनतम कोविड पाबंदियां कारण अस्थाई तौर पर बंद करने लई मजबूर कारोबारां नूं $10,000 तक की राहत ग्रांट सूबा सरकार वालों दी जाएगी। इस दे नाल ही मंत्री फार्नवर्थ ने इस बारे एक अपडेट भी प्रदान की कि सरकार सर्दियों के मौसम लई किवें तैयारी कर रही है।
On Tuesday, Minister Dix, Dr. Henry, and I announced new restrictions to help flatten the curve given the sharp rise that we are seeing in COVID-19 cases. The Omicron variant has proven to be much more transmissible both here and around the globe. Our healthcare workers are working overtime to keep people safe and respond to the surge in cases. But we need British Columbians to redouble our efforts to slow the spread and to avoid any further burden on our hospitals. We need to support our healthcare workers and help ensure that healthcare services continue to be there for people when they show up at hospitals needing care. Also on Tuesday, I spoke of the efforts of the Provincial Minister and COVID-19 Working Group to investigate supports for those who are affected by the new restrictions. And I want to report that due to the efforts this week of the Ministry of Jobs, Economic Recovery and Innovation, Minister Kahlon, who is joining me today, will run through the details of those new supports. Funding relief is coming for those businesses ordered closed. These closures are not something that anyone wants before the holidays, but the reality is we are faced with having to make these restrictions to protect each other and our hospitals. I also want to take this opportunity to reiterate a warning about the severe winter weather we are expecting through to the new year. In the coming days, periods of heavy and blowing snow, freezing rain, and very cold weather are likely in most parts of BC. In some areas, that weather has already arrived. We've been working this week to ensure both provincial road crews and First Nations and local governments are prepared for what is to come. Along with coordination calls and Office of Support, Emergency Management BC's regional offices have been distributing Environment Canada notifications to local government staff to help to prepare overall preparedness.
Today, I'm pleased to announce that the Government of British Columbia is establishing the COVID-19 Closure Relief Grant. This new grant will be available for businesses that have been ordered closed by the recent public health order. Relief grants will be between $1,000 and $10,000 in one-time funding that will be provided to eligible businesses based on their number of employees, following the similar formula that we used for the previous Circuit Breaker Relief Grant Program, which supported businesses in spring 2021. This grant can be used to help with expenses like employee wages, like paying rent, insurance, and maintenance and utilities. I wanted to share this news with you today so that businesses know that financial support is on its way and that we're committed to helping them through these very difficult times.